In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle map and list views on Zillow Desktop 2026 guide. Zillow on desktop is built around a dynamic split screen layout, not a simple on-off switch between map and list. Think of it as a synchronized workspace where you control which side gets the spotlight. After you type a location into Zillow.com and load results, you'll land in the default side-by-side view, the map on the left, the property list on the right. These two panels are tightly synced. Anytime you pan or zoom the map, the list automatically updates to show only the homes inside the visible map area. This makes it easy to explore neighborhoods without losing track of matching listings. To shift the emphasis to one side, use the vertical divider between the map and the list. Hover your cursor over the dividing line until you see the double-headed arrow. Then click and drag. If you drag all the way to the left, the map collapses and the list becomes your full workspace, perfect for comparing photos, prices, and key details in a larger grid. If you drag all the way to the right, the list minimizes and the map expands, giving you maximum real estate for streets, boundaries, and satellite imagery. Take your time when dragging to avoid grabbing the map itself. You're aiming for the divider handle. Even with no hard toggle, the two sides continue to talk to each other. Click a home in the list, and the corresponding pin is highlighted on the map so you can immediately see where it sits. Click a pin on the map, whether it's a dot or a more prominent marker, and a quick details card appears. Selecting that card will highlight the same property back in the list, keeping you oriented as you jump between spatial context and property specifics. When you need finer control, zoom with your mouse wheel, trackpad gestures, or the plus and minus buttons on the map. Click and drag to pan to a new area. By default, Zillow uses search as I move map, which means every shift you make updates the list automatically. If you prefer to lock the current results while exploring the map, uncheck the search as I move map box from the map's filter area, then re-enable it when you're ready to refresh the list. For comparisons over time, use the heart icon to favorite a home. Your saved places remain visible and easy to recognize as you browse other neighborhoods. And if things ever feel sluggish or out of sync, a quick page refresh with F5 usually restores the connection. Mastering that interaction divider is the key to unlocking Zillow's desktop power. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.